What else would you say you need to have ready at that point, the point of funding, and what can you worry about later?
I think it depends on the stage. So again, like if you're trying to do a bigger round, the point of which is to get through, the FDA. For example, like let's say you did a very small friend and family round, and now you've kind of proved design well enough, and then the next milestone you anticipate is a 510(k) clearance. I would want you to know things that are important, like a quality system or, regulatory support. Know who your contract designer manufacturer may be, ideally have done something there, right? But just kind of have the pieces of the puzzle well understood, as well as kind of what it's going to take time and cost to kind of then feel confident taking real dollars. But if it's a seed stage round, I mean, that's where you're just like, the goal is to kill the company quickly, right? Like, what is the biggest question that would keep this from being a good product? And let me go address that as soon as possible, if you can. I mean, that's the point of high risk, high return, earlier stage investing.